What if you woke up tomorrow and
Oh my
Earth was
goodness.
suddenly twice its size? The oceans, mountains, and cities all stretched out over a planet twice as massive. Sounds exciting, right? But the truth is, it might not be so fun. First, let's talk about gravity, the invisible force that holds everything down. If Earth doubles in size and keeps the same density, its gravity becomes twice as strong. That means you would instantly feel twice as heavy. Walking, running, even standing up would be exhausting. Your heart and muscles would have to work twice as hard to keep you alive. Jumping? Forget it, you'd barely get your feet off the ground. Buildings and bridges, not built for that weight, could collapse. Even trees might snap under their own weight. But wait, stronger gravity also means a thicker atmosphere. That could trap more heat, making Earth hotter and stormier. Sunsets might look redder and more dramatic through denser air. But breathing would be harder. Air pressure would crush your lungs. Mountains would shrink under stronger gravity, eroding faster. Volcanoes might become more explosive due to trapped pressure inside Earth. Ocean tides? They'd be smaller, since the moon's pull would matter less. However, earthquakes might become more frequent from the extra mass stress. What about humans? We might evolve into shorter, stronger versions over time. What about humans? We might evolve into shorter, stronger versions over time. Animals like birds would struggle to fly in thicker air and stronger gravity. Many species could go extinct before adapting to the new conditions. Satellites would need more speed to stay in orbit, or they'd fall to Earth. Rockets? Launching them would take twice the fuel and cost far more. Space exploration might become nearly impossible. But here's the bright side: a bigger Earth could have more resources. More land, more minerals, and maybe more places to live. However, with double gravity, building tall cities would be a huge challenge. Planes might never take off again. Travel would change forever. Eventually, humanity might move underground or adapt technology to survive. The night sky might look the same, but life beneath it would be tougher.
This could be it.
Could we handle a world like that?
We've finally
Maybe,
done it.
with science and cooperation. For now, be glad our Earth is just the right size for us to thrive.
Cinematic outro. Zoom out from
So,
Earth.
would you
Face the logo
survive
and
on a
comment
double-sized
prompt
Earth?
text. Upbeat closing
Tell
music.
us in the comments below.